Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. It's your girl Marcy once more, and today we're making this delicious sorrel puree just so that we can make this delicious sorrel cake. And when I say it was very delicious, it was very delicious, it was very moist. So stay tuned for the cake video, but today we're just going to go ahead and show you how to prep by making your sorrel puree. I have this sorrel that my mother-in-law brought from Jamaica for me, and it's been in my freezer for a while. It is my last set of sorrel, so why not use it to make a video to educate my family here on YouTube and Facebook how to make a delicious sorrel cake. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and rinse off our hibiscus because it's been sitting in the freezer for a couple months now. So we're gonna go ahead and rinse it off, and then we're gonna go ahead and start the process. Freeze a taste, and then we're gonna proceed to making a sauce with this. And then from there on, you can use the sauce in whatever you want it to do, but I'm gonna bake a cake. All right, now that it's rinsed, we're gonna head over to the stove. Adding in 2 cups of water. So that's 2 cups of water, and I add in 2.5 cups of the sorrel petals in a cinnamon stick. Here we have some grated ginger. It's about 3 tablespoons. Some sugar and some nutmeg. So the camera went off and I didn't get to show you guys the tablespoon of orange zest that I added. That's what I'm showing here in the plate. And I also didn't get to show you the cinnamon and the nutmeg that I added in there. But you can just eyeball it and add whatever you want to add in your sorrel puree to spice it up a little. Those are everything that I need in the sauce. We're just going to let it boil now for about 10 minutes more, and then we're going to turn it off, let it cool, and blend. Okay, I think this is ready. We're going to turn it off, let it cool a little bit, and then we blend it. Alright, so this is it, guys. We're gonna blend it. Don't forget the cinnamon stick. So here you go. Here is your sorrel sauce. You can use it to make whatever dessert you want to make with it, or you can use it in your stew like for Thanksgiving or Christmas. Whatever it is that you want to do with this sorrel sauce, it's up to you. I'm gonna say if you want to use it for other stuff, make it neutral with just a little ginger or lemon, or the orange zest, but don't use any cinnamon like I did, or any nutmeg, because you don't know what you're going to use it to. But if you're going to make it for a spice cake like myself, then this is perfect. Thank you all so much for stopping by on my page and for watching my video, and stay tuned for the sorrel cake video.